So people are always saying, there's so many tunes out there. Which tune should I learn? Where do I start? So I made something to simplify your life, the Awesome Tune Checklist. Check it out. Hey guys, Chris G here from PositivelyProgressing.com. Just wanted to give you a quick shout out and let you know that I put together an awesome tunes checklist for you to download below. It's got all types of tunes, so make sure you check it out. So I created this list to help you improve just beyond playing melodies. This awesome checklist has it all. It has major and minor key tunes. It has all the classic chord changes like 2-5-1 in major, 2-5-1 in minor, a 2-5 to the 4, backdoor 2-5s, dominant 2-7 chords. There's ballad tempo tunes, there's blazing fast tunes, there's major 7s going to parallel minor, tunes that change feel like Latin to swing. So it's got everything. If you don't know all the things I just said about all those different progressions and 2-5s and backdoor 2-5s, stick around. There's plenty of videos that are going to explain these things, so make sure you smash the subscribe button, and I appreciate your support. So this list isn't, the end-all be-all list of what tunes to learn, but it's a really good start, because when you learn all of these tunes, even just the melodies, and you start learning them into new keys, you're going to start hearing all the different chord progressions, and all of these songs have pretty much the chord progressions you're going to hear in most tunes that you're going to play at a jam session, or you're going to want to learn just to have some good stuff under your repertoire. So I wanted to make a quick video, let you know that you can download the Awesome Tune Checklist. Right below here it lists the 12 tunes out that I think are going to be great for your ears and great for your melodies and playing. If there's a tune on this list that you're not super hip to, don't worry about learning it. Play what inspires you. Play what makes you feel good. Play what you want to learn. But I hope this is a good starting point to show you that all of these tunes, learning these tunes will improve your playing beyond just the melodies. So I won't take up any more of your time. Go out there, practice the Awesome Tune Checklist, check off the tune once you've got it memorized and you got fully down, not just the melody, chord changes. You can play it inside and out and backwards, and have fun. As always, stay positive, stay progressing, and I will catch you soon. Later.